Palak Gosht recipe with spinach that's very popular in Pakistan, especially in Punjab, and this is what we are going to cook in this video, so watch till the end for the complete recipe. Ingredients: mutton half a kilogram, spinach half a kilogram, oil ghee half cup, onion 2, ginger 1 teaspoon, garlic 1 teaspoon, green chillies 2 teaspoons, tomatoes 3, fresh milk 1 cup, fresh cream 1/2 cup, National Palak Gosht spice mix 45 grams. Cooking method. Step 1 involves frying. We need to fry onions in oil ghee until golden brown. After that, we will add ginger, garlic pastes, and meat and fry for 5 minutes. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell button in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. Then I will add tomatoes and National Palak Gosht spice mix and fry for 5 to 7 minutes. And guys, if you have any questions or suggestions for us, feel free to comment below and write your suggestions. I always read and reply to everyone. And lastly, add spinach and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2 involves cooking. I will add green chilies and milk and then cook for further 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will add fresh cream and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3 involves serving. Delicious Palak Gosht is ready. You can serve and eat it with naan and salad, and with roti as well. And that's it. Our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.